Okay, I want to do the last example 5 in this first section of chapter 8. We're talking about average rate of changes, and it gives you 2 functions between a certain interval. And all that means, because when you read it, it's like, what does that mean? There are 2 graphs here. The first one is f of x equals 0.75x squared. Remember, that is a fraction that is less than 1, so that's going to be the one that is wider. And then the other one is bigger than 1, it's 1.5 times x squared, and so that's going to be this one that is blue in here. And then the only thing they're asking you is, what is the rate of change between when x is 2 and when x is 4? So here is 2, and here's 4. So we're finding the rate of change from the endpoints of 2 and 4, that's a 0.23, and the 0.412. And then we're doing it from here, 2, 6, and the 0.424. So those are the only points that we're finding. And all that is the slope. And remember, the slope is y minus y over x minus x. And you're just doing that for the 2 different equations. So when I look at f of x, the first one, I'm trying to get this so I can get it all on the same page, maybe if I do this. When I look at f of x, that is the red one. I have the 0.23 and 412. So I'm just going to find the slope. And remember, this is y minus y, over x minus x. 12 minus 3 over 4 minus 2, which is 9 halves. And I can keep it as 9 halves, or write 4.5. And then when I do g of x, that is the blue one, and I have the 0.26 and 424. Again, when I find the slope of that, I'm going to do 24 minus 6 over x minus x, which is 4 minus 2. 24 minus 6 is 18, 4 minus 2 is 2, so it has a slope, or the rate of change is 9. And so then when it's asking us what it's it's increasing 4.5 units between the intervals of 2 and 4, and the other is increasing at a rate of 9 units. What you're noticing down here when in part B, it says that the greater the value of A, the greater the average rate of change is going to be, and that makes sense, and you can actually see that in here, because this one is where A is bigger, because this is bigger than 1.5 is bigger than 0.75, and you can see that it is a greater rate of change, it's steeper, or this is less gradual. Okay, so that is the final section. I'm going to go ahead and upload this. I've put practice work in there for you to try. It is on page, and I posted this in Google Classroom as well. We're going to do page 320, number 14 through 26. Okay? I hope this has been helpful. Email me if you have any questions.